How to register a domain name from Hostovo. To order a domain name from Hostovo, you need to simply visit hostovo.com and scroll down a little bit. In the domain registration section, enter your desired domain name and hit enter. If your domain is available to register, it will show it's available, and if not, it will show unavailable. So make sure to use a unique domain name that is available and click on add to cart. Then click on continue. Here you can give your set your own name server here, and if you don't have, simply click on continue. You can set this later. Now in this section, you need to create a account on hostovo.com. So fill the personal information details here. After filling up your personal information, choose your desired payment method. I am selecting PayPal. Click on Term of Service Agreement. Check this box and click on Checkout. Now it will take you to the payment page. Just wait a little bit, and you can pay on your desired payment method. So click on Paddle if you want to pay through PayPal or credit card. You need to use Paddle. So you can see your our total amount is $18.69. So click on continue, and you will get option to pay through PayPal, or you can use credit card as well. So complete this payment. Once you have done the payment, it will show your service or domain. So if you click on domain, you can see what this we have received our domain. Now you can manage your domain. So this is how you can order a domain from hostovo.com.